In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Telegram messages and chats. First, a quick reality check. Telegram doesn't offer a built-in way to restore messages deleted from both ends. When that happens, they're removed from Telegram's servers and can't be pulled back from the cloud. Still, there are a few practical moves that can help you bring back recent content or salvage media stored on your device. Start with the fastest fix: undo. Right after you delete a message or a chat, Telegram shows a small pop-up with an undo button. You get only a few seconds, about 5 for entire chats. Tap undo in time and the message or chat returns instantly, no backup needed. If the pop-up disappears, move on. If you're on Android, check Telegram's cache. Open your file manager and go to internal storage, Android, data, org.telegram.messenger, then cache. You may also see folders like Telegram images or Telegram video. These can hold leftover photos, videos, or small text cache files from deleted conversations. Copy anything you want to keep to a safe folder outside Telegram before clearing the cache. On newer versions of Android, access to Android data may be restricted. Use a file manager that supports it, or connect your phone to a computer to copy files. Remember, this won't rebuild chat text in Telegram. It only lets you recover media that still exists locally. Next, use Telegram Desktop to export what's still available. Install Telegram Desktop, sign in, and go to Settings Advanced, Export Telegram Data. Select the chats and media types you need, choose an export folder, and start. The tool saves everything as readable files on your computer so you can search through them for what you're missing. Exports include only content that still exists on Telegram servers, so messages deleted from both ends won't appear. While you're there, open saved messages and look for anything you forwarded or saved earlier. You might find copies of missing media. To recap, act fast with undo, check Android cache for media, and use desktop export plus save messages for anything that still exists. This approach won't resurrect messages removed from both sides, but it gives you the best shot at recovering recent items and salvaging photos or videos left on your device. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.